the hair back, show off the forehead. You know we gotta be like Rihanna. See that blur coming through, bitch? I know you do. I know you see it. What's up, guys? It's Sierra. I'm back again with another video. This is gonna be a natural black girl makeup tutorial for all the bad bitches out there with melanin. So yeah, let's get into the video. First, gotta clip the hair back, show off the forehead. You know we gotta be like Rihanna. Channeling every famous black woman in here, bitch. We got it. The first things first, we're gonna go in with the primer. My favorite is this Master Prime Blur primer. It's really, really good. It gives you that like TikTok baddie matte look after you put on your foundation. You don't need much. You don't need much, but I like to put a lot. Got a lot of ground to cover, so you just put it literally everywhere. And yeah. Next, I'm going to put this poreless face primer. You don't need this because you already put a primer on, but if you want to use a different primer, there's also this. It gets rid of your pores, not gets rid of your pores, but makes them less visible, and I like to put that under here. It does make you feel like you're choking though. Jesus Christ, the smell. It's not a bad smell, but it's like such a thick, it's just thick in general. I hope that makes sense. Next, we have concealer. I'm using the Fit Me concealer in shade 40. I'm just going to put the concealer there, and then here. And you might not need as much as me in these spaces if you don't have like darker underbags, but then that's why I put so much right here, but you can just put like just a little bit if you want. And then I like to go up here and right here because TikTok says it gives you that natural cat eye look, and that's what we're going for here. And then also, because I have a little darker stuff right here, I like to literally just cover all of this. And then it looks kind of weird sometimes when I do it right here and then I don't. You know what I mean? It'll be like a separation between the colors. So I like to just put it right here and then it blends out more. It's gonna look weird right now, but that's okay. You gotta trust me. So then we just blend that out. I'm gonna start from right here. Blend that out. And because I have the darker circles, if you have the darker circles, you don't want to just leave it because then that just makes that line right there. So you want to pull it down a little bit underneath that. And I kind of use the concealer as like a foundation and a concealer. So it's like when I do it, I kind of diffuse it. So let me do this side. Bring it down. See, you can see the two colors being separated right there. You just want to dab that out a little bit so it's not as harsh. I like to put some on my nose. And then you do the mouth and you pull that up so it blends in with the rest of that. Pull that up and out. I'm also gonna put a little bit right there and a little bit on the chin. In person, you might look like a bit of a greased up potato or something like that, but that's what the powder that we're gonna use next is for. There you go, and that's your concealer. My favorite like setting powder, loose powder, whatever, is the Essence My Finished Skin Perfector powder. It's so good, so good. I used to use the e.l.f. setting powder, but the color would never look good on me, so I had to switch to something different, and I found this and I was like, this is fucking amazing, and I've stuck with it ever since. But you just go like that, and I don't like to let it sit. I like to just pat it in to the skin. And then other side. When I dip it, I don't put like, I dip it and then I go like this to kind of squeeze a little bit of the excess off because I don't want to put too much, because putting too much of this can kind of screw you up. So I like to be on the safer side, and if I need more, I'll add more. Oh, you see you see that blur coming through, bitch? I know you do. I know you see it. Let me put it here too. And then I'll take some of it and I'll go right here too, because then I want it to be blended out. We don't want to leave how there's like this space that's blurred and then this space that's blurred and there's like this little line here that's not. So I like to take a little bit extra and go in on those parts. Put a little too much on the side, that's okay. The more blurred we look, the better. We want that filtered look, bitch. And then I like to take a little bit. I use a lot of this powder on my face because it doesn't feel heavy. It doesn't feel heavy at all, and it just, the blur effect that it gives you. And even though I put a little bit of concealer up here, and you can even put it in places where you didn't put concealer because it's like so good. So I'm just gonna spread that across my forehead. Okay, Okay, you see the blurred look? It's giving filter. It's giving filter, bitch. Don't play with me. And some people might judge me for this, but I put the contour on after the powder. Because it's like when I put the contour on before the powder just like dulls it out and it doesn't show up as much. And I like my contour to show up. So I do the powder and my concealer and then I go in and then I do this. So I just put a little bit there. And this actually isn't a contour, it's concealer. It's just a dark concealer. It's the same as the other one that fit me. And this is shade 60. And then I like to put it here. You gotta fake it till you make it with the jawline, baby. Do what you gotta do. And then I do the nose after. So I'm just gonna go in with this. Just go in with this. And then I literally just use the back of my beauty blender. I don't want to use the same spot that I used concealer because it's just gonna make my concealer look muddy next time I use it. So then I go in with that and I just pat it out. It's harder than you think to do your makeup on camera. It really is. Because I don't have a mirror here. Just blend that out. It's gonna look a little harsh, but like I said, even if it does come out looking too harsh and we need to fix it, the powder fixes that because it dulls it out. Shadows. Go on my concealer side and push that back a little bit. And with this, I don't pat, I just kind of drag it because it's like, who cares where this is going? Okay, she gave herself a little jawline moment. Don't play with her, period. Next thing we're gonna do is the nose. So I just started contouring my nose, so it's like it's not really much. I just do it to have like the color to be there. So I just go like that, and blah, blah, blah. And I do it kind of messy, as you can see, because whose fucking crooked ass nose is this? Anyways, then I put too much. Sometimes I have to I pat it first to get some of that excess off, because I don't like it too much on my nose. And then I just pat it in. Okay. And then I'll wipe off some of the stuff in this area right here. Like I said, I just do it for the color to be there, because if I don't, I just look like a big one colored face. So you see, we looking good. We looking good, y'all. You should be looking good. We're gonna do a little something to our brows, and we want a natural look. I'm using the NYX Control Freak brow gel, and I'm just gonna brush my brows up. I brush them up all the way, and then I'll go in to the side. And then I'll kind of slip it down with my fingers. You see how that brow is so much lifted than this one? Jesus Christ. Okay. And once again, you just do the little packs. It's gonna feel like gel on your eyebrow. Next is mascara. The mascara that I'm using is the Maybelline Rocket Volume Express mascara. It's very, very nice. It's really good. It's my favorite mascara so far. I think it works very well. And as you can see, I got a little mess. I don't wipe it, I just press it to get the excess off, because then if I wipe it, it's just gonna be an even bigger mess on my face. So once I've got most of it off, then I do a little wipey moment, and then I have some right here, but I don't have any product on my eyelids, so that's easier to just rub off. And then you keep it moving. It's not the end of the world. Once I'm done, that's with the lashes done, and that's without. Okay, so we have that. Now we're gonna do a little lip moment. I'm using the NYX Professional Lip Liner in the shade Espresso. It's my favorite lip liner ever. It's so good. And you just follow the line of your lip. Put it on. Like I said, I like this one because it's it's reddish without being like super, super dark brown, and we want that natural look. then I make a lot of mistakes while I do my makeup, and that's okay. So, and I have a scar on my lip right here, so it's like I have to do it a certain way to not make my lips look weird. And then over here it's easier because you just like, but with this one I have to like go over like my scar, so it makes it harder. And I like to go like that. Fill it in on the sides a little bit here. And then I don't have much of this lip gloss left, but this is just a Morphe lip gloss. I don't know what it's called or what shade. I literally just bought it at the store. Literally hardly anything left in here, but we're gonna make it work. And then I kind of rub from the outside to get that like gradient. I rub from the outside to get a little bit of gradient going in, and then I put more lip gloss on top of that. And then I rub like that. And this is the part where I'll go in with the pencil again, and like if my lips look uneven, I'll like go in and fix that, even it out. Want the lip liner look where it's like you can see the actual line, you can leave it more, and if you want it more of like a gradient where it's like the inner color and then it's darker on the outsides, you just will like rub your lips together as much as you want, and then after that you can go in and fix up the lines and stuff like that. But this is where we're at right now. Okay, I forgot to do eyeliner, so we're just gonna do a little bit of eyeliner just to show you that liner look. I'm just doing a little wing. And I wanted it to match the kind of lash line that I already had going. So you see how that slay? I literally just followed that black line right there, that cluster of black right there, and you just go up. Follow that line. This one's not as pointy as the other one.
I can't take this anymore. I am a crayfish.
And we're gonna go in and we're gonna wipe all this off. Yeah, okay. That's the liner. And I'm using the, I don't know what eyeliner this is. It literally has like nothing on. It's just someone that I picked up from a drugstore though. Any eyeliner will work. It doesn't really matter. They're literally all the same. It's just the difference between a liquid eyeliner. This is a liquid eyeliner. And then you can get a felt tip or blah, blah, blah. Felt tip is definitely easier for beginners, so I would recommend having a felt tip instead of doing liquid eyeliner until you're more experienced with eyeliner. But yeah, it doesn't really matter in the end. Eyeliner is eyeliner, unless you're doing a different color. And we're gonna do a little bit more mascara just because I kind of messed it up a little bit. Last but not least, we have highlighter. You can use any highlighter. We're gonna be a little ghetto. I'm using eyeshadow, but I'm using this eyeshadow from the Morphe Jeffree Star palette, this sparkly gold, and we're just gonna make it more. But you don't want to put too much, and I'm gonna put some on my nose. See, it's sparkling and things up in here. Just a little more, just to, you see that subtle glow? Ooh, slay. And now we're all done. This is the final look. No lashes, no foundation, and I think it's pretty cute for like a natural beginner look if that's something that you want. I'm definitely gonna do more where it's like more, I'm definitely gonna do more looks where they're more out there and like using eyeshadow and lashes and stuff like that and foundation and like full face looks. But I just wanted to start off with something easy for the people that might not be that good at makeup or don't know what to do or they don't want to go like all out on their face just yet. So this is definitely the perfect simple look for you. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. My name is Shut Up Sierra and I will see you next time. Bye.